Ayuda! May paayuda sa vlog ni Sir Jake Galvez. Ang sweet ng Don Bell. Anyway, Cutie Bell was sad because di daw siya sanay na may ibang ka-eksenang lalaki. Versus her with Donnie na mismo sa scene. Don Bell na laging may sariling mundo. It speaks so much of their comfort with each other. I'm too soft for this.